really warmed up today. Looks like we're going to have a nice weekend.
Great weekend on the way, and then next week more and more promising as we look out. 3, 4 storms maybe on the horizon for us. So it looks good. First one looks a little shaky, but beyond that, we're okay. Here's a look at what's going on around the Santa Fe Plaza, and as we move things ahead over the past 6 hours or so, well, it remains relatively quiet there, as you can see. Now, 51 degrees in the Albuquerque area right now. Northwest winds at about 9 miles an hour. For the most part, very mild out there this afternoon. No question about that. Temperatures across the state right now, 30s and 40s for us off to the north, down to the south. Anywhere from the 30s in Ruidoso all the way up to the 50s around Carlsbad, Alamogordo, Las Cruces, and Deming at this hour. Pretty quiet for us. That storm system, which did bring a couple showers across the south and a shower or two in Albuquerque a few days ago, is now well off to our east. And actually, high pressure is going to take back over for us just over the next couple of days here. So what that's going to do is keep all the cloud cover mainly to our north. So we're not going to see much on that front over the next couple of days. All the way through the weekend, it looks good. So if you have plans outside this weekend, very nice conditions across the board, and it looks like we're going to stay very nice probably until early Monday before things start to change. So that high continues to stay anchored over the area here, and what that will do for us is keep things mild, keep temperatures in the 50s and some 60s across the south for us. To the north, mainly 40s and 50s here with mostly sunny skies. The big change starts next week when we get a whole pattern shift here, something we haven't seen very recently, and that weekend ridge works its way on out for us and a series of storm systems set up to our west. The first one comes in Monday, bringing some showers across northwestern sections here. This does not look that great, but as we head through, say, Wednesday and Thursday and Friday of next week, then we look at stronger systems coming in here, and it does look progressively stronger as we push into the end of the work week next week. We badly need snow out there, and I think we're going to get it, at least to some degree. Western slopes right now look favored, and the western half to three-quarters of New Mexico looks favored as well. So we'll keep you posted on that, but there's a pretty good shot at starting to add to the snowpack here, especially over our northern mountains. Mostly sunny and cool tomorrow across the Northwest Plateau, and as you check out the extended forecast for Durango and Farmington, plenty of sunshine through Sunday, but then increasing chances of snow in the forecast Tuesday through Friday of next week. Meanwhile, across the Southwest, a very nice day for tomorrow. Temperatures for the most part in the 50s with mostly sunny and mild conditions out there. Southeastern New Mexico, temperatures for the most part are going to be in the low 60s for us with plenty of afternoon sunshine and really actually plenty of morning sunshine as well. Roswell, 7-day forecast. Nice over the weekend. Temps in the 60s, but then cooling down with the chance of some showers coming into the southeast by the end of next week. Meanwhile, across the northeast for tomorrow, not bad. Temps for the most part in the 50s with those mostly sunny skies. And as you get up into the northern mountains, plenty of sunshine over the weekend. Exactly what they don't need. And we're going to melt off some more snow this weekend before we end up adding more next week. Tuesday through Friday of next week looking like a pretty good shot at picking up rain and snow in Santa Fe. Meanwhile, East Mountains, cool start in the 20s and then topping out in the 40s and 50s for tomorrow. And then finally right here in the Albuquerque area, lots of sunshine here. 52 downtown, 51 in the Heights, and 52 in Rio Rancho. Your 7-day forecast looks good through the weekend. And then I don't know how that little spot shower got in there, but don't worry about that. That's not actually going to happen. So don't worry, 53 on Sunday. But next week, good shot at picking up some rain and snow.
All right. Thank you, Mark.